Hello and welcome back to POSAdvisors guide series for EncorePOS. My name is Billy, and today we'll be looking at the item edit log. You can use this to keep a close eye on any changes that have been made to your inventory database, as well as to research unexpected changes. Starting from the EncorePOS login screen, log on to the EncorePOS dashboard. Click the Reports tab, scroll over Inventory, and click Item Edit Log. On this screen, we'll get started by choosing what type of edit we'd like to track in the Report Selections window. This drop-down menu can be left as is to see all types of edits, or we can pick a specific type of edit. Next, we need to select a time frame for EncorePOS to look through for edits. As in all our other reports, Encore can look through the last week, month, 90 days, 6 months, or a year. Or it can look through a custom time frame. When we're done setting up how the report will run, we click Submit. Give EncorePOS a moment to load the report. Here we have all the requested information on item edits in the store. We can see when the edit was made, who made it, where it was made, what type of edit it was, the change made, and what item was changed. Change the sort order of the columns with these arrows here. Show more entries per page with this box. Navigate pages with these buttons, and narrow results with the search function. We can copy the table to the clipboard, export the report to an Excel file, a PDF, or send it directly to a printer. When we're finished with the report, we can click this X here to return to this page. From here we can either run a new report with different criteria, or click Cancel to return to the dashboard. That's it for this video today. Let us know what you thought by leaving a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSadvisors. We'll have our website link and our support number all in the description under this video, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.